everybody, welcome back to Tupperberry Art. I'm Kimberly, joined with my sweet
Stella.
We are underwater today, and today we're gonna draw a cute cartoon fish with big eyes.
It sounds fantastic.
It does sound fantastic, so don't trout yourself. Let's fin going.
Yeah.
Let's do this. First thing we're gonna start with is breaking them down into basic
Shapes.
And this shape is going to be a big, not quite, kind of an oval. So what do you say? An oval, or I said also, you could think of it as almost like a lemon. So there I have my lemon. So draw a little slower to see if you can get it. Try not to go too fast. It doesn't have to be a one and done line. We can erase and fix as we move along. Perfect. Now let's draw two big cartoon eyes. If you watch my video, you'll learn how to do this in a little, you'll have some practice on it. So our cartoon eyes, I'm just gonna make them bigger than the fish. And it's like I've got two circles, two eggs, whether they touch, and they come just above my fish. Try to make both eyes about the same size. Good. So inside our eyeballs, let's draw another circle. Okay. Another circle, and you can erase things as you go along where we don't need the lines now where the eyeball is, right? So we can do that. And then we're going to draw another circle. Draw your pupils, the black part of your eyes.
That's really black.
And then inside that, somewhere in the corner, same side on each side, this is the white spot of the eye.
Yep.
So now when we shade in the black, we know which part is which.
Sometimes I forget to outline my eyes.
Oh yeah, we want to make sure we outline them when we're all done, because that makes it look adorable. This part right here is our cute little cartoon eyes. When we add color, maybe our fish is gonna have blue, green. This is the part of our colored eyes in here.
I don't know, your fish can be any color.
Yep, you can. Okay, so under our fish, we are going to have a fin on the top. It's gonna curl him. So he's looking straight at us, but this fin is gonna be a slice. And so here, starting big, I'm gonna do a little swoop. What does that look like, Stella?
It kind of looks like part of a butterfly.
Oh, part of a butterfly, part of a heart, part of an N or a U in some ways. And then from that point, we're going to come over like a little wave and meet wide over here.
That looks like a wave that's pushing over a surfboard.
Yeah, looks like a wave. Looks like a mohawk.
Or it looks
But your little mohawk wants to go a little bit thicker. Our back fin is sticking out. So on the top, give me one little swoop line up. Okay, underneath the eyes. Now at the bottom, now it's kind of a little bit thick, but it swoops down the opposite way. So we have the same kind of lines, flip side. Now from here, we're gonna connect them. So rather than making it a straight line down, just curve that line out slightly like that. Okay. Nice. And then inside here, we can just draw a few little lines. Like maybe my first line will go out and follow the line above it a little bit. Do it on the bottom. Come down here to the bottom, Stella. See, follow this line, the same shape that this goes. Just follow it out the same way. And then in the middle, we can match the line above. So if your line goes out this way, your next line can go out as well. And then at the bottom, if your line's coming there, you can bring it to the end as well. How is there a kitty underwater? Did you hear that kitty?
Yeah.
Must be a catfish. All right, let's have two little bottom fins. So here, Stella, take a little line and we're gonna curve it out small. Okay. And then just a little bit wider, we're gonna come and meet that together. Curl that little fin. Good. And then around the same size on the other end, draw the line out. So it's gotta match this side. Comes a little wide, and then wide, and come and meet that fin. Okay, Stella, I think our fishies need to smile. So in the middle of our head, we've got kind of like this is where the fish comes to get, there's that catfish again. Maybe this guy can just have a little smirk. So we have like a little line on the side.
And if we didn't have a smile, it'll be like hiding his Smile.
Yeah, there he is. And then maybe we could actually have 3 little circles, small, medium, large. Oh, that catfish must be swimming around for the little other fishies. Maybe it's eating the algae.
Or maybe it's eating
Seaweed.
Or maybe it's eating the fish.
These are little bubbles coming up to our fish, just like we do a little white space for our eyes. We could actually do those for our fishy as well. We know not to color that in. If you guys at the end want to add a little seaweed, I could have some little squiggle lines come up medium, tall, vary the length, the height of these. And we can do a little bit of seaweed along this ocean floor. And then a few little lines, maybe a couple dots can make your sand. You don't have to have that in. You can add what you want. And then I say we have an adorable fish. Let's color it.
Yep.
Stella and I are all done. We can't hold our breath too much longer underwater. So here's our pictures. They're simple. What we'll require is some cute coloring. Make sure it's in the lines, some outlining, some fun eyes. Anything else?
Maybe you could add like a boat if you have the room.
Yeah, add some fun little background. Be creative. Make it your own. Subscribe to our channel, right?
Yeah.
Watch more videos with us. Send in your requests of what you want drawn. Anything else?
Maybe you could, this was one of the funnest videos.
This was a fun video. Catfish joined us, but now I can't hold my breath any longer, so we're gonna say goodbye.
Bye.
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 What?